Hi there. This is Josh in Michigan. A few months ago, I installed um, our Everlast flooring. Um, First of all, the color combination was exactly what I had hoped. Um, exactly what we wanted for our veterinary clinic kennel floor. Um, the installation instructions were thorough. More than appreciated our sales representative who not only sold me the product, but was very, very attentive to any questions I had about the installation. I had never done anything like this before. Um, he helped me understand the process and any of those nuances that somebody not familiar with a installation like this would have. In fact, made himself available even when um, he probably wasn't working in any capacity. So I really appreciated that. Um, the floor itself to install was a little more difficult than I expected in terms of what it was going to require of my strength. There's a lot to that process, and you have to be prepared. You have to be clean, and if you do those things, it turns out really, really nice. Um, and follow the directions. And when they say to do things, they mean it because it does make a big difference. Uh, Pretty happy with our flooring. Thank you.